Just having a bite to eat. Just had my second night at the college, but my third technical day. I missed one last week. Been very, very ill. I'm still not 100% now. Anyway, just been doing the augmented reality. So this is vlog number 2, explaining what I've been doing. So, because I couldn't do it last week because I was in bed, very sick. The augmented reality. Now, as I said last week, different bits of metal, different shapes, and kind of things. So you got lap welds, you got the T-piece, which I can never remember what it's called, and then you've got there was a butt weld as well. Didn't do everything, but you've got different things on the computer after you've practiced welding, and it's got work angle, travel angle, CTWD, which I can't remember what it was, and that was to do with the distance from the tip of the welder to the target of what you're working on. And it's all done by computer. It's very clever. Travel speed and your aim. So working on the T-piece, normal, like flat bit with a bit like that on top, pointing vertical, dink, dink, like that. So the best I got, work angle was 94 degrees, or 94%, sorry. Travel angle, 94. CTWD was 90. Travel speed was 93. And aim was 98. So I did pretty well. So what I did is I didn't ask if I could do these things. I just changed out the piece that I was working on, but you can just go into the menu and just change what it is you're looking at and what you're welding. Wait for your welding mask to adjust to what it needs to do. Then it sets this little circle, red circle on the target, and then the mask has a green circle. So what you have to do is get that circle together, and it calibrates itself. Then it knows what you're looking at, and then you can point the welding torch at it, and then you can theoretically weld, in 3D world. So I tried intermediate, and what it basically does is it shortens your ability for play. So you've got your work angle, travel angle, and everything is much more restricted. The one I failed at was the angle was it the angle? I think it was, because like when you got the welding torch like that, the closer you are to the target of what you're working on, much more limited. See, on beginner it's like that much. On intermediate you half it. It really halved it, and if you moved ever so tiny amount, you're red. So if anything hits red, you're doing wrong. But I mean, a few things I did get very right, so really pleased about that. So this is only going to be a short video, this one. Next week I'll be actually welding metal, so really looking forward to that. And hey, look, I'm in my new boiler suit. Look, well, hey. Legs are too long, so they need to be taken up a bit. And this thing is like, it's so brand new, it's a bit weird trying to get like used to it. So this is gonna have to go in the wash. Poppers. So I'm gonna eat some food because I'm really hungry. I know this isn't a very big vlog, not like last week, or no, 2 weeks ago, sorry. So yeah, I'm gonna eat some food. I'm gonna have some juice because I'm really hungry, and go to bed and hopefully have a decent night's sleep, and hopefully feel better in the morning, because I'm still, as I said, I'm not feeling 100%. So 1 week's time you should get an update. Next week, because we were going to be working on metal, they're not supplying us with a face mask, welding mask. Got to take my own. But I did take my gloves with me today and my boots and everything, just in case we were going to be working on metal. But I didn't really know what to think of the augmented reality. But I quite liked it. It was quite a bit of fun, really. It's a bit like, I know I'm going on a bit, I wasn't going to, but bear with me. It's a bit like a simulator on a computer game. So like, I've played Car Mechanic Simulator, very similar graphics. You can see like the roughness on the metal and stuff like that. You know, AI generated or whatever it is. You know, it's basically rendered or something. I can't remember, but it looks really impressive when you watch through the screen. But it's not the same. So I really can't wait to actually get my hands on some actual steel, start getting welding, start getting stuck in. So hopefully I'll have a bit more to talk about next week. So thanks very much for watching. It's much appreciated. Thank you very much for the help for everyone with getting the computer sorted out. And yeah, just everyone in general. Thank you very much to my members. You guys are awesome, and everyone out there who watches and likes, you know, and yeah, see you next week.